VST here when I speak tech. This is my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra with the OneUI 8 on Android 16, and I've been running this as a daily driver, and I did also a full video on this. If you want to check this out, I'm going to leave a link down below. And in this video, guys, I'm going to show you two things that I do believe should be really Samsung stock functionality. But the way it goes with Samsung is they are the best customizable stock OS ever, like really ever, with all the plugins and all the settings from Good Lock and the ones also from Good Guardian. So OneUI is probably by far the easiest and the best customizable stock OS, which means that you don't really have to download any third-party apps or even root your phone and install any kind of modules. They can do a lot of these things really stock and modifying 1000 things, right? Which is a very good thing, but it comes with a chaos. And in this chaos, sometimes very important settings are lost. So in this video, I'm going to show you two settings, productivity ones, privacy ones that I do believe should be there, no doubt. So, in case you're not familiar, in certain Samsung applications there is this concept of the secret menus or the lapse menus. From within this menu you can activate things like the back swipe preview, which is not something new, but it's something new for Samsung, which is very useful, by the way. So now without it, you can see I'm gonna go just back, right? But with this menu, I'm able to use the predictive back gesture, and yeah, it's still not perfect, and it really doesn't work in most of the apps, but I think the support so far is great, and hopefully Samsung is just gonna make this thing big. And you can see now I'm in airplane or can go in Wi-Fi, all right, and then just do things like this. So it's really useful, right? So this concept of lapse or secret hidden menus exists in some of the other areas like the gallery and my files. So what about the gallery, guys? Let me show you. This thing here is the standard new menu, right? I did a video on this. It's part of the new OneUI 8 redesign. So from within the settings, I can go inside and just scroll down until I get to the About Gallery, where I can check my gallery version. So if I start hitting here the gallery version several times, right, you're gonna see Gallery Lapse is enabled. So now a new menu is gonna pop up called Gallery Lapse, right? And there is plenty of stuff. I did several videos on this one because there are settings since OneUI 2.x, believe it or not, right? So there are really tons of settings. Something that I believe is very, very cool, and I want to demonstrate this in the video, is the private album. Supports private storage to keep image and video in hidden area. Now, pay attention, when I enable the settings, guys, nothing's gonna happen until I recycle the app, which means close it and reopen it, all right? And now when I'm inside my photos, guys, and I click here, boom, I'm going to finally get that private album, which I believe should be really a standard stock setting and not just buried down below in this secret hidden lapse. Anyway, how does this thing work? So let's say my friend Robbie Williams, very beautiful concert. I'm gonna select it, right? Select several photos. I'm gonna click here more, and there's gonna be something called Move to Private Album. And you can see it's actually moving those items to the secure folder. So if I go now to the albums, nothing is there, right? Until I click here, and boom, private album. So when I click the private album, guys, you're gonna see that I need to authenticate with my fingerprint or face to unlock my secret album. Yep, this is it, guys. You can see it's all still on my device, but those photos are not accessible in the normal gallery. So how about moving them back? No, just select them, click move, and it's gonna move them around to my standard storage, all right? So one more time, let's do this photos this time. I want to hide these photos, guys. I will move them to the private folder, secured storage. Okay, now click menu, click private album. Okay, here they are. How to move them back, just select them and move them back to your internal storage. The other thing I want to show you is my files. It works exactly in the same way, guys. Now you need to go inside the settings, scroll down, get to About My Files, and start hitting here like crazy until you get, boom, Enable My Files Lapse, which is going to give you that menu, but I'm gonna force cycle it, like close and open it again. Go inside the settings, and here, My Files Lapse. All right, guys, now there are really tons of things here, all right? There are even developers options, things like history and data history. So if you grant usage to the data history, you're going to see a report on which apps are occupying your storage. And this is really, really cool, right? I can see photos, I can see Chrome, AI Core. So you can get really some advanced statistics. You can try to change the default view with local storage, network storage, even reorganize folders if you have folders with more than 100 items, but forget about everything else and just focus here. permanently delete option. It will show the permanently delete option in the delete dialog. So what if I want to delete something, guys? I'm gonna go here and I want to delete these two screenshots. All right, let's just select them. I'm gonna select them. When I press delete, it's going to actually move them to my trash, okay? So now if I go inside here, yeah, they're in my trash. So of course from here, I can just probably restore them like this. But what about activating permanent deletion, which I think is really cool, very useful. So click my files, select the permanently delete option, guys, and I'm gonna try to just randomly delete something. So from here, if I now press delete, I'm gonna get this thing here, permanently delete. Boom. You can see these changes now. If I hit delete, which I'm gonna do, they will not go to the trash. They will just go directly to oblivion. So I truly believe that things like this should not be that buried inside of hidden secret lab setting. Check this, guys. Boom. I give you my phone. Yeah, you're not able to even unlock my gallery because I use the private album. I mean, this is a cool feature, right? And by the way, if you decide that you don't like this, you can go back to Gallery Labs. Boom. Now everything's just gonna disappear. What is gonna happen to the photos? Yeah, nobody knows. You have to find out. I'm joking, everything's still gonna be there. But nevertheless, guys, now I don't have the Gallery Labs anymore. So I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. And if that's the case, make sure to watch my OneUI 8 stable release video. Stay safe, VST over, and bye.